Bonjour. Wejibwemojig Ginugijik condition cause a jijak and do dame anyway giknomage vowel sounds. I want to teach vowel sounds today. And first of all, I don't speak very much Ojibwe, but here we go. Alright, long vowels. Repeat all these sounds after me. Repeat after me. Say ah, father, apita, a certain length, apita. This is the most important one of all, is ah. The ones that get it messed up is this one, because they say instead of ah. Make sure you learn this one the most. We already know these ones: open, it, above. But so really you only have to learn 4. All right, here we go. The E makes the A sound like in leg. Say A, leg, apane. Double I makes the E sound like in bean. Say E, A, ah. Long vowels say really long. A, E. Pot belly. Say bikoji, bikoji. Ooh, cool, gegu, something, gegu. Short vowel, same really short. Above, umbe, come, come hither, umbe, or come on, say umbe. It, there, say ima, ima. Oh. Say these really short. Say oh. Repeat after me. Oh. I. 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 Oh. Say open. If this was Ojibwe, saying Ojibwe would be open. But it's English. Say open. Say here. Say oma. Short. Use that. Say real short. Say oma. Oma. Ima. Umbe. Alrighty then. Short vowels are said short and quick. Say adupuin. The long ones are said long and drawn out. Say adupuin. Adupuin. Say apabuin. Apabuin. Wasechigan. Wasechigan. Ishquandame. Ishquandame. Ishquan. Ishquandame. Long vowels, long and slow. Say Oma Bi'ishan. Oma Bi'ishan. Bizanego. Bizanego. Say ah. Repeat after me. Say ah. Ah. Say it out loud. Ah. Ah. The short vowels are the fun sounds. Say oh. They're like a caveman sound. Say Now, repeat after me. The long sounds are like when you're watching fireworks. You go ah. Say that. Say ah. Ah. Oh. Ah. Say ooh. A. E. Ah. Ah. All right, here we go. Say bizan ego. Bizan ego. Go ahead. Feel free to do so. Bizan ego. Bushkegin. Bushkegin. Majan. All right. If you get 2 consecutive same vowels, like This one, here's one, right again. The first one is said medium accent, and the last one is said harder and a little bit longer. So we would say gay gate, gay gate, gay gate. Of course, English doesn't catch Ojibwe quite right, but there we go. Say yes indeedy. Gay get. Here's a better one. 2 I's in a row. You would go oh with de, medium with de, then a little bit harder and not stronger. With de, oh with de. Over there, oh with de. Point with your lips. Oh with de. Gay gate, oh with de. If you're 3 consecutive same vowels, the first one is like medium. You go medium and then drop down soft, and then you hit the last one hard. So say gonna budge, gonna budge, gonna budge, gonna budge. We gotta say them short. Say gonna budge. Say we de, we de, we de. Point with your lips over there. Say we de. Sit down. Medium. Drop down soft, just a tad, and then kick the last one hard. Namata, namata, namata bin. Last syllable is going to be the most accented. So we would say namata bin, namata bin, namata bin. Syllable breaks. The syllables break after the vowel, after the vowels. They break after the N or the M when they're next to a preceded consonant, when they're next to a consonant. Like here, N is next to a D, so the syllable breaks here. We would say bean, de, gain. Here's another one. Here's when M is next to a consonant. We would say nim, ba, ka, de. And then lastly, if it's the last letter, if the consonant is the last letter, it just sticks on that group. Consonants don't make sounds. You have to have a vowel with it, associated with it. So even if you see some words spelt with a whole bunch of consonants in a row, there's a vowel sound there somewhere. Sorry, say gi, ga, wa, ba, min. Gigawaba min. Gigawaba min. Say gain, to gain. Bean, de, gain. Short, long, long. Bean to gain. Bean to gain. You can almost say it like it's not even there. Bean to gain. Even these ones, try to say them as quick as you can. Short, 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 long. Say mbokade. Mbokade. Dong. O, ki. E, ki, don. After the vowel neen, it's on the end of it, so it stays with there. Neen, e, ki, dong. How is it said? How do they say it? Neen, e, ki, dong. Glottal stop. Sometimes you'll see this little mark here. That means your airflow is going to hit the brakes. It's going to stop, 100% stop of your breath. And you can treat it as a consonant when you're breaking syllables up. I hope I did them right down here. Yeah. So here we go. Say paper. Say mazana igun. Mazana igun. I'm not a first speaker, so it's hard for me to do this. But stop your air right there. Say mazana igun. Wolf. Ma in gun. Ma in gun. Ma in gun. Wabanda ishin. Wabanda ishin. Show it to me. Show me. Wabanda ishin. Pencil. I forgot to break this one up. It should have said ganak. Say ganak. Ganak. Ojibi, ojibi, iganak, ojibi, iganak, ojibi, iganak. All right. I need to. Oh yeah. So you're gonna have a slow rising accent, kind of like Yogi Bear, and like you say, hey hey, boo boo, looks like a picnic basket to me. We're gonna do that, but we're gonna and the last syllable, you have to say very carefully the last syllable. It's accented the most. In English, they would accent the beginning or somewhere up here and then taper down. They say minogigijeb, but we go minogigijeb, minogigijeb. We start out real soft. Sometimes these letters fall off. You don't even hear it. Mointam, noya, but rising tones and we. Old man told me you're supposed to talk soft. You're supposed to actively listen so you don't have to talk loud. So you don't have to holler at someone to be heard. But anyways, slow rising tone like Yogi Bear. Use your normal voice, the one you're born with. Don't try to sound like an Indian. Don't try to sound resi like I do. Man, it takes a long time. Anyways, here we go. Minogigishab. Minogigishab. Minwendam. Wabminan. Anin eşi ayayan. Anin eşi ayayan. Nemeno aya. Nemeno aya. Gindaş. Nemeno aya gindaş. Nemeno aya mi gwech. Nemeno aya mi gwech. Nemeno aya mi gwech. Gigawabamin. Min, bamin. Short, saying real fast. Bamin. Wabamin. Hey, gigawabamin. Minawa. Gigawabamin, minawa. Ayan guamizin. Ayan guamizin. Mi seo mi gwch bisantaw yek. Anishinaabe wiyang.